Hello, 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 my office, all the visitors, welcome to watch my live stream. Today, let me take 10 minutes introducing our compression spring machine, also called spring coiling machine, CNC spring coiling machine. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. So here we now have three sets in same model, 4 axis, 4 mm max spring coiling machine. Under construction, but this one almost assembly done is now in Lanyap, MPT, Lanyap, and tomorrow morning, it will go put on the tools, go sampling, put on the tools, put on the feeding rods, the guiding plate, the coiling finger, manger, then go sampling. Sunday morning, go sampling. And then next week, Monday of next week, client will come to our factory for a free using training. And the training takes about 3 to 6 days. 3 to 6 days training. Okay, this is Baker, and my contact is following. We are spring machine manufacturer. We are spring machine manufacturer since 2005, mid-sized in Dongguan City with our own brand, with our own trademark. At present, our machines had sold to reach it over 32 countries and regions. Over 32 countries and regions are sent to the World Cup teams. Okay, 32 over 32 countries and regions. As like European, for the Europe, our machine has reached the country as like Spain, Portugal, Poland, Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, Belarus, Russia, Turkey, and Serbia. For the Asian countries, we now reach it like Iran, India, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Indonesia, South Korea, many countries also. So our machine has reached all 5 regions of North America, South America, Australia, Oceania, Asia, Europe, Africa. We also reached the country South Africa, Algeria, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Peru, Mexico, Canada, USA. Okay, so today let me introducing our compression spring machine, CNC spring coiling machine. In this page, telling all our 6 models, and at side, these three sets are the same model. In this one, the same as 4 axis, 4 mm, GJ 40B, 4 axis. So it's a smart and easy setup for 4 axis one. It's up early and switch to change the task and change the tools early. Setup, operate really easy. Take fast for the switch for the changing. Okay, 6 models available. We have 2 axis one, 2 axis one, 2 axis 2 models, 4 axis 3 models, and the 6 axis 1 model. So the smallest one is standard for this one 0.15 to 1 millimeter. Two pair, 2 axis, 1 pair feeding rods, and the length this one 2 axis, 2 pair feeding rods, 1.6 as max, and this one 4 axis 4 millimeter, 4 axis 4 millimeter, and this one 4 axis 3 millimeter, 4 axis 3 millimeter. This one at site under construction. Okay, all the feeding spring coiling machine wire goes from left to right. Okay, compression spring machine, 6 models available in our factory, provided 6 models covering the wire from 0.15 max to 6 millimeter. Okay, let me show you the products made by the compression spring machine. Firstly, as like this regular compression spring machine, the regular compression spring, like this material can be as like iron, steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, panel steel, and also like alloy as aluminum, copper, bronze alloy, and with also like the high electric resistance material for the once it goes through the electricity is getting heating material, high resistance material with the alloy. Okay, so this one regular compression spring for key parameter, wire size, wire diameter, spring outer diameter, the gap between the lines, between loops, we call it the pitch. Okay, this is a regular for column size, column shape, and this is regular column shape. Okay, and this is spring. The outer diameter is changing. Here small, and the mid is larger, or both ends small and the mid is larger. Okay, and this also the the bellow wing, grape wing, grape one, bellow shape compression spring. For this like the usage of using in the mountain bicycle as for front and the rear wheels for his suspension purpose. Suspension spring using in the mountain bicycle. Suspension spring at the fork front a rear wheel. Fork at the front a rear wheel, suspension spring, mountain bicycle. This motorcycles and a lot of compression springs used in motorcycle, in bicycle, in mountain bicycle, in sports bicycle, in acrobat, acrobat bicycle. And this, the coin shape compression spring, and this one is very special as like the OD is changing at different period, at different period for its changing the spring OD. Also, the pitch is also changing. It's also changing at different sides. It's get much larger or length tends to smaller, then the pitch becomes zero for its every loop contacting each other. So this is a zero at pitch. Length is OD is changing, OD is changing, the pitch is changing. This is a typical compression spring at always in changing. The OD is changing, the pitch is changing. Okay, this and this one slant spring, copper, made of copper, and you can see the section, not the pure round, the section is in shape like oval, like egg, like oval or like egg. So this we call it the slant spring or canted spring. Slant spring or canted spring. In my hand is copper 1.5 millimeter. Copper 1.5 millimeter. Slant spring widely used in electric cars, power charging station, or power recharging from the recharging part, recharging and the correct connectors for electric power charging station. Copper, oval shape, a section, 1.2 millimeter. Carbon slant canted spring made by our compression spring machine. This is sleeve machine. So sleeve machine, all the loops, every loop, the loops are contacting each other without any gap, Even it's very hard to contact each other. So this is the sleeve machine, widely used in high temperature or high humidity atmosphere to protect cables, the signal cable, or the detecting uses cables or wires, like us the cars nearby the engine site for with using field using site as high temperature or high humidity. Also like the household water meter with sleeve spring, made by our compression spring. And this with gap, with pitch at central stage, and at both ends, every loop is tightly contacted. Okay. This is also belong to the sleeve spring. This is the sleeve spring made of flat stainless steel. Also, this is also a kind of sleeve spring. We also have the orders from four clients made the super precision mini-sized sleeve spring in medical purpose and medical using field, as like the using for the micro camera or detecting system to detect the human body as like his inhibition system or his digestive system, to insert the sleeve spring into the human body's lung or stomach. Okay, here's the stomach and here's the lung. The stomach. Okay, to also insert the intentions. And this is the compression spring using in this trigger sprayer, alcohol trigger sprayer. Okay, here's the one alcohol trigger sprayer. This one 0.8 stainless steel 3 millimeter at output rate 150 to 207 pieces per minute. This and the compression spring also have some new developed skills like making this mobile phone card needle, mobile phone card needle, mobile phone SIM card pin, card mobile phone needles. Okay, this mobile phone using called mobile phone SIM card pin or needle. And the spring washer, like this spring washer or C clip or C clip at very fast rate is this one over 500 pieces per minute, over 500 pieces per minute, or spring washer, slant spring. So all in all, compression spring machine making the regular column spring is stable OD and pitch in whole state, stable and one stable OD and constant pitch. The changing OD, barrel shape, one, grab one, barrel shape. Suspension spring like in using mountain cars, mountain bicycles, or motorcycles, or cars suspension at chassis, suspension spring, heavy duty suspension spring also belong to the compression spring. And the sprayer trigger spring. This very particular is spring OD is spring outer diameter is changing and the pitches is changing at different stage in this example. Changing tower shape, cone size, tower shape, and the sleeve spring using in high temperature or high humidity atmosphere using the sides with high temperature or high humidity. Sleeve spring. Sleeve spring. Sleeve spring. Sleeve spring using in the cars nearby the side engine near or auto motorcycle. A lot of using sleeve spring. Ballpoint pen spring. Ballpoint pen spring. And the slant canted spring made by the compression spring machine. Okay. Okay, my old friends, if you are interested, you can add, you can remember and take a picture of this and add my WhatsApp and my WeChat. I'm a baker export sales manager. We are spring machine manufacturer in South China, Dongguan City. Okay, in Dongguan City, South China. Welcome to send you your drawing or sample pictures, clear sample pictures or drawing. Then we will select the best model, give you the good price and the solutions. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City, South China, between the city Guangzhou and the Shenzhen, in the middle of Shenzhen and Guangzhou. So, welcome to visit our factory to talking about the possible cooperation of or sending you your drawing, your sample pictures. I will give you the professional solution to meet your task requirements and expectation. Okay.